Good morning students. Welcome back to online class. We already learned up to page number 30. That is number from 21 to 30. Numbers from 31 to 40. Numbers from 41 to 50. And write the numbers 1 to 50. Count the shaded boxes and color the boxes according to the number. Missing numbers and number from 51 to 99 and numbers 51 to 99. Okay, now in this class we see about the complete the number chart. Complete the number chart. Here giving the number 1 to 99. Okay, but some numbers are missing, ma. We only want to fill the box. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, okay, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Okay, va? Next, here below they are asking some question, ma. Write the numbers starting with 2. Now, in this box, we want to find out the number starting with 2. Which number starting with 2, ma? Yes, first number 2. So, put 2 here. Next, which number starting with 2? Next, 20, yeah. So, the first number want to start with 2. Okay, va? So, next 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. This all the numbers starting with, that is the first number is 2. So, write all the number 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. This number starting with 2. Okay, same like that number write the numbers starting with 6. 6 means in first box put the 6. Next, which number starting with the 6, ma? Yes, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. Okay, this number starting with 6. That is the first number is 6. So write down 6 after 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68 and 69. Next, write the number ending with. Ending means the last number. Okay, ending with 1. Which number ending with 1, ma? Yes, the first number 1. Next, which number ending with 1? Yes, 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61. Look at this column. This all the number ending with 1. So write these numbers. 1, 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81, 91. Okay, next. Write the numbers ending with 4. Which number ending with 4? Yes. Ending with 1 means this column. Ending with 4 means this column. Look at this column. This all the number ending. That is the last number is 4. So write this column. The first number 4. 14. 24, 34, 44, 54, 64, 74, 84, 94. Okay. Next. Color the boxes in the above number chart. We want to color this number chart whether the same number occurs twice. Twice means 2 times. Okay, va? Which number comes the same number 2 times? For example, 1 1. The same number coming 2 times are 1 1. That is level. 2 2. Twice coming as 2 times coming are 2 2 22. Okay, va? That likes we want to give the color. That is which box? Level 12. Sorry. Level 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. This boxes we want to give the color, any color. Okay, va? Write them in the boxes given below. That number we want to write down here. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. Understand? We want to color this boxes here. Okay, va? Next, complete the pattern. Here giving 3 questions according to this different pattern. We only want to find out this pattern. Next, 10. First question is 10, 20, 30. Look at this number. This number ending with 0. That is 0 ending numbers. Or 10 countings. Isn't it? No. 10, 20, 30. What is the next number? 40. Okay, ending with 0. 50. 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90. Okay, well, first 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30. Likewise, ending with zeros. Next question, 5, 15, 25. What? Ending with 5. Okay, well, 5, 1, 5, 15, 2, 5, 25. Next, 3, 5, 35. 4, 5, 45, 5, 5, 55, 6, 5, 65, 7, 5, 75, 8, 5, 85, 9, 5, 95. Ending with 5. Next, same like that. 3, 1, 3, 13, 3, 3, sorry, 2, 3, 23. Next, 3, 3, 33, 4, 3, 43, 5, 3, 53, 6, 3, 63, 7, 3, 73, 8, 3, 83, 9, 3, 93. Okay, va? Ending with 3. Now take the next page. Write the missing numbers by forward. Forward counting. Forward counting means left to right. Okay, missing numbers. 34 dash 36. What ma? 34 after? 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. Okay, va? Next, 52, 53. Next, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. Next, 85. Next, 85 after? 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. Okay, va? Next, write the missing numbers by backward counting. Backward counting means this like right to left. Okay, va? Look at this number 3. 3 after? 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, va? Right to left we want to fill the number. Next, dash 37. 37 before number what ma? Sorry, 47. 47 before number what? 46. Okay, wow, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Okay, wow. Next, dash dash 36. Okay, wow. 36 before number what? Sorry, 66. Sorry, ma. 66 before number what? 65. 65 before number what? 64. So 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73. Understand, Amma? Next, 2.4 skip counting. Look at this picture. Okay. The purple rabbit is saying, hey, I come by jumping on green stones. Okay. This purple rabbit is jumping on the green stone and cross this river. Okay, va? Now this pink rabbit want to cross on the what? Yes, pink color stones. Okay, va? Okay, then I will come by jumping on, yes, pink color stones. Okay, va? Now, can you say the numbers on which purple rabbit jumped on? The purple rabbit jumped from which stones? Green stones. Say the numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So, write this number here. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, va? Next, can you say in which number pink rabbit will jump on? Pink rabbit will jump on which number, ma? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So write down 2. Okay, what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Understand? Now observe this number, ma. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This number is called what? Very good. This number is called odd number. We already learned in first term, no? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This number is called odd number. And what about this? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This number is called? Yes, even number. So write here. Understand? This is odd, this is even number. Okay, now take the next page. Page number 33. Learn. Skip counting by 2's forward. 2's forward means, here see, here giving the number line. The number start from 1. That is the skip counting start from 1. So 1 after count the 2 numbers, because this is 2 skip counting. Okay. 1 after 1, 2, 3. 3 is the answer. Okay. Well, next 3 after 1, 2. Circle. 1, 2. Circle. 1, 2. Circle. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. That's all. Over, this is a 2's counting. Now here see, this number jump from 1 to 3. Next 3 to 5. Next 5 to 7. We want to jump from 1 circled number. Okay, wow. Next 7 after 9. 9 after 11. Next 13, 15, 17, 19. Okay, wow. Now we want to take and write in this boxes. Okay, wow. First 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. We want to write this circled number here. Okay, wow. Next, same like that. Skip counting by 3's. The start from 1. So 1 after 3 number we want to circle. Third number 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Next 7 after 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Third number we want to circle because this is three skip counting. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Understand, Amma? Okay. Now the number jump from 1 to 4. 4 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 13, 13 to 16, 16 to 19. Okay. Now, finally we want to write this in this box, circled number 1, 4, 7. 7 after 10, 13, 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19. Okay, Mama. Next is skip counting by choose backward. Backward means, yes, right to left. We already learned here, no? Right to left is a backward counting. Okay, well, same like the twos. Starting from 20. Okay, well, 20. Next 1, 2, 18. We start from here. Okay, well, next 18 after 1, 2, 16. 1, 2. Okay, well, 1, 2, 14. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 10. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, Mama. Okay. Next. The number jump from 20 to 18, 18 to 16, 16 to 14, 14 to 12, 12 to 10, 10, 10 to 8, 8 to 6, 8 to 4, sorry, 6 to 4, 4 to 2. Okay, va? The number jump like that. Okay, va? Now, same like that, we want to take and write the number. Starting from 20, yeah, so 20, 18, 16, 16 after 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. Okay, va? Same like that, 3 backward skip counting. Starting from 20. Next, skip counting by 3, yeah. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, va? Okay, the number jump from 20 to 17, 17 to 14, 14 to 11, 11 to 8, 8 to 5, 5 to 2. Okay, va? 3 skip counting. Now take and write the number. 20, 17, 14, 11, 8, 5, 2. Understand, Amma? Now take the next page, 34. Practice. Complete the table by skip counting 2s. Okay, skip counting 2s, ma. Skip counting 2 means 80 after we want to count the 2 numbers. Okay, va? 80 after 81, 82. You keep the 1 dots. 1 dot. Next, write the next number. Okay, va? First keep the dot, ma. After you write the next number. Okay. This is for avoid your careless mistakes. Okay. 80, 81, 82. Next 82 after 83, 84. Next 85, 86. 86 after 87, 88. Understand? 2 skip counting means you keep the 1 dots. Okay, va? 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. Okay, va? Same like that. Here, see, ma. 51, 49. The number is decreasing. So this is a backward counting. Okay, va? Same like that. 2 skip counting, ma. But starting from here. Because this is a backward skip counting. 33. Same like that. Keep 1 dot for 1 number. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. Correctly coming up. You want to keep the dot this like. Okay, va? Next is complete the table by skip counting threes. Okay, va? Threes means you keep the two dots. Okay, va? 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Keep two dots. Next, third number right here. Okay, va? 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Understand, ma? Skip counting twos means keep one dot, it's enough. That means leaving one number and write. Skip counting threes means you leave and write the two numbers. So we keep two dots. Okay, ma? Next, 44, 41. The number is decreasing. So this is a backward counting. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Correctly coming, yeah? Okay. Next activity, ma. Now take the next page, page number 35. Think like a mathematician. Write the missing numbers. Here, giving the missing numbers. First see, 2, 3 not having. So, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Leaving one number. So, this is a skip counting twos. Okay, va? So, right here, skip counting twos. Okay, va? So, we continue the number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Correctly coming, yeah? Next, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 2 number leave and coming, ah? So this is a skip counting. Very good. Skip counting threes. So right here, skip counting threes. So you must keep two dots. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Understand, Amma? Okay. Observe the pattern in the above series. Can you guess the rule in it? We already guessed it now. What? The first missing number is skip counting twos. The second question is skip counting threes. Write the answer here. Okay, va? Next, pleasure time. Do the skip counting by twos and threes starting from 2 and 3 respectively. we want to start skip counting from 2 and 3 from this box. Okay va? Okay, first we want to do the skip counting from 2. We starting from 2 ma. Okay, and do the 2 skip counting. Okay va? We do the skip counting 3s starting from 3. Okay va? Shade the boxes with yellow for 2s. Okay, first of all take the yellow color pencil ma, or crayon pencil. Okay, take it up. Okay, take the yellow color pencil. First we do the what? 2 skip counting. 2 skip counting start from 2. Okay va? So color this box from yellow. Okay va? So 2. Next 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So the sticked box and all you want to give the yellow color. Okay va? Ticked box for and all give the yellow color ma, because this is a 2 skip counting. Next 10 after 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay va? Next step 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. You want to give this ticked box for and all yellow color. Okay. Next 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Next 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Next 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, this box is for and all you must give the yellow color. Understand? Okay, now we completed the 2 skip counting. Now we start 3 skip counting starting with 3. We want to start here. Okay va? Okay, now take the green color. Okay va? Keep down the yellow color and take green color for 3 skip counting. Green color take it ama. Okay, so start from 3 So for this I am putting cross mark. I am putting cross mark for the 3 skip counting. Okay, but you must take the green color. Okay va? Starting from here, so start cross mark. Cross mark means you give the green color. Okay va? 3 after 1 2 3 1 6 after next 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, this cross mark box and all you want to give the green color. Okay va? Next 30 after 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay va? Understand amma? Okay, now you give this cross mark for and all green color. Okay, understand amma? Next, can you shade any box more than one color? Okay, look at this here ma. One box for tick and one box for cross mark. But look at this one boxes ma. This box is having two symbol also. Tick marks also having, cross mark and all also having. So you must take and write that type of number. Okay va? The first is 6. The 6 having both yellow and green color, isn't it? No. So put 6. Next 12. The 12 also having both. So 12. 12 after, yes, 15. Okay. 15 after, yes, 18. 18 after 21. Sorry. 18 after, yes, 24. The 24 also having both. So 24. 24 after. Okay va? This number having 2 times. Okay va? This number shaded more than one color. Okay va? That is 6, 12, 15, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72, 78, 84, 90. Okay va? After finishing this color, check your answers. Okay va ma? Up to this, the second lesson is over. Okay va ma? Complete the book exercise ma. This is your homework. If you have any doubt means ask to me. I will explain in your next class. Okay ma? Thank you ma.